Hi developers, in this video I will show you the setup of ExpressJS application. Okay, so firstly we need to install Node.js, then we need to initialize our project. After that we need to install ExpressJS. Okay, then we need to create the entry file. Then we need to write the basic Express application. Then we need to run the application. So coming to first step, so we need to verify that if Node.js is installed in our system or not. So we can verify it using, let's go to the terminal. Okay, so we have node-v and npm-v to check the Node.js and npm version installed in our system. Okay, so if Node.js is not installed, you can check out my previous videos. I will share the link in the description. You can go through that video on how to install Node.js. Okay, so now we will check if Node.js is installed or not. So command is node-v. And also we can check the npm-v to check the npm is installed or not. By default npm comes with node. If you install node, then npm also get installed automatically. So now node is installed with the version 18.16.0. Now we can check npm-v. And the command to initialize our project is npm init-y. Okay, so let's initialize our project. Npm init-y. So it is initializing our project. As we have created our directory ExpressJS concepts, inside that directory it will initialize our project. So the command is npm init-y. So it will initialize a Node.js project by creating a default package.json file. Okay, so this y means, it means yes. Okay, so it means it will create a default package.json file without asking the interactive questions. Okay, so npm init, it will initialize the project and creates a package.json file. Actually, normally it asks questions like project name, version, description, entry point, but we have used the flag -y. It means it will skip the questions and accept the default values for all the fields. Okay, so it has created the package.json file. Let's go to it. Okay, so this is the default package.json file. Okay, so the next step is, and it has taken the default names like ExpressJS concepts. This is our directory. Okay, so it has taken the default name and version 1.0.0. This is the initial version. Okay, so description it has taken to blank, and the main is set to index.js. Okay, and in the scripts, test is came by default, and we can add another like start. All other scripts we can mention here. Okay, so now the next step is install ExpressJS. So the command is npm install express. Okay, as we can see, it is not installed. Express is not in our package or JSON, so we need to install it. Okay, so for that command will be npm install express. Now it is installing express. So why we install express? Because it is a lightweight application framework for Node.js. Okay, and it simplifies the process of building web applications and APIs by providing powerful tools. And without Express, our Node.js code is too complex. So that's why we use Express. and it also provides routing features, middleware supports, also flexibility for using REST APIs. Okay, so you can see it is installing Express. It will add in package.json file. Currently it is not there. So our Express applications APIs are used for mobile and web applications, and for the backend for single page applications like React, Angular or Vue.js, and also it is helpful in full stack web applications. And in the one line, Express is installed to simplify the development of web servers and APIs. Okay. You can see it is installing. So you can check this Express has already been installed. Okay. So the next step is to create a entry file which is index.js. We can name any name like index.js, app.js. So let's create it. Now go to here, new file, index.js. Okay. And we will write the code here, because the next step is to write the basic Express application code. Okay, so this is the basic code we have done, copy paste here. Okay, so now we need to run the code, run our application using the command node then file name. Okay, there the file name is index.js, so we can directly write node index.js. So this is the command to run our application, node then file name. File name is index.js. This is our basic application code to run the application. So as you can see in the terminal, server is running at localhost 3000. Okay, because we have set the port 3000 and it is printing in console server is running at localhost 3000. Okay, so we have set up the ExpressJS application in our system.